Ever felt like you're juggling a dozen different apps just to get through a workday? A messaging app for chat, a different one for video meetings, another for phone calls. It's exhausting. We've all been there. The promise of unified communication is to simplify all that, bringing everything under one roof. But with so many players in the game, it's hard to know which platform truly delivers. So, let's talk about two of the biggest names in the business, Zoom and RingCentral. We're going to break down which one is better and, more importantly, which one is better for you. Now, if you hear Zoom, what's the first thing that comes to mind? A video meeting, right? During the global shift to remote work, Zoom became a household name synonymous with virtual meetings. Its video conferencing is its undisputed killer feature. It's simple, reliable, and it just works. You can host up to 100 participants on the most basic paid plan, and with higher tier plans, that number can soar into the thousands. The interface is intuitive, making it a breeze for anyone to jump on a call, and features like virtual backgrounds, breakout rooms, and live streaming to social media have become standard for a reason. Zoom is the champion of video, no question. But what if your business needs go beyond video? What if you're looking for a true, all-in-one communications platform? That's where RingCentral steps in and makes a compelling case. RingCentral isn't just a video conferencing tool that added a phone feature later. It's a robust, voice-first platform that has evolved into a complete communications ecosystem. Think about it. A business phone system with advanced call handling features, team messaging, and video all integrated into a single app. RingCentral's Unified Communications as a Service, or UCaaS, is its core strength. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of the features, starting with the heart of any business communication system, the phone. Zoom's offering Zoom Phone is a solid VoIP service. It's got all the essentials: business phone numbers, call queues, and voicemail to text. It's affordable and straightforward, a great value for companies that need a reliable phone system without a lot of bells and whistles. But RingCentral's phone system, RingEX, is on another level. It's a powerhouse for businesses that rely heavily on phone communication. We're talking about features like interactive voice response, or IVR, which is that automated menu you hear when you call a company, as well as advanced call monitoring, whispering, and barging for call center management. RingCentral also offers a more mature API ecosystem and a much wider range of third-party integrations, which is a huge deal if your business relies on connecting with other software like Salesforce or HubSpot. But what about that famous video component? While Zoom reigns supreme in terms of sheer participant capacity and some advanced AI-powered tools like translated captions, RingCentral's video platform is far from a slouch. It offers high-quality video and key features like screen sharing and recording. The big difference here is the focus. Zoom is designed to be a video platform first, with other features built around it. RingCentral is a unified platform, where video, phone, and messaging are equally weighted, all working together seamlessly. For example, in RingCentral, you can effortlessly elevate a phone call to a video meeting or a team chat with the click of a button. It's all about the integrated workflow. And then we have team messaging. Both platforms offer robust chat functions with file sharing, channels, and direct messaging. But again, RingCentral puts its own spin on it by integrating task management directly into the chat, making it a true collaboration hub. It's a minor difference, but it's a perfect example of RingCentral's commitment to an all-in-one experience. Now let's talk money. Pricing is often the deciding factor, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. Generally speaking, Zoom is the more affordable option, especially at the entry level. Its Pro plan is very competitively priced, and its phone service, Zoom Phone, is one of the most budget-friendly options on the market. RingCentral, with its more extensive feature set and enterprise-grade tools, comes with a higher price tag. Its plans are tiered and can get quite expensive as you add more users and features, but you're paying for a truly comprehensive enterprise-level solution. If your budget is tight and your primary need is high-quality video meetings with a basic phone line, Zoom offers unbeatable value. If you have a larger team, a call center, or a complex workflow that requires deep integrations and advanced phone features, RingCentral's investment will likely pay for itself in improved efficiency and a streamlined communication process. So, to summarize this whole conversation, you should choose Zoom if Your primary need is excellent video conferencing. You have a smaller budget and need a simple, easy-to-use platform. You're looking for a good, but not overly complex, business phone system. You value high participant capacity for large-scale webinars and events. And you should choose RingCentral if you need a true, all-in-one unified communications platform that integrates phone, video, and messaging. Your business relies heavily on its phone system and needs advanced features like IVR and call monitoring. You require deep integrations with other business software like your CRM. You're a larger organization or a business with a dedicated call center. Ultimately, the choice comes down to what you prioritize. Is it the best video meeting experience or the most comprehensive and integrated communication system? The right tool for the job is the one that fits your specific needs. There's no single winner here, only the best choice for your unique business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.